Street Smarts, Mastering Streets and Avenues in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of streets and avenues, two common location words that are essential when giving and receiving directions. By the end of this video, you'll be much more confident using these terms in your everyday English conversations. In many cities, streets and avenues are types of roads or paths. Usually, streets run vertically while avenues run horizontally. But remember, this is not a strict rule and can vary from place to place. It's important to understand these terms as they often appear in addresses and directions. For example, I live on 45th Street. The restaurant is located on Park Avenue. Let's look at some examples of how these words might be used in real-life conversations. 1. Asking for an address. 2. Could you tell me your street? 3. Is your office on this avenue? 4. Giving directions. 5. Turn right on the next street. 6. Walk down the avenue until you see a big red building. 7. Describing a location. 8. The bookstore is at the corner of 3rd Street and 7th Avenue. 9. My favorite coffee shop is on Maple Street, just off the main avenue. 10. Requesting for a taxi or rideshare. 11. Take me to 18th Street, please. 12. Can you drop me off at the start of the avenue? Remember to practice these examples aloud. The more you use these phrases, the more comfortable you will become. Sometimes, it's important to distinguish between a street and an avenue, especially when giving or receiving directions. It can be confusing if you're directed to 5th Street, when the intended location is actually 5th Avenue. So always specify whether the location is on a street or an avenue. For example, my apartment is on 5th Street, not 5th Avenue. Make sure you're looking for Maple Avenue, not Maple Street. And that's a wrap on our lesson about streets and avenues. I hope this video has helped you understand these common location words better, and you're now ready to use them confidently in your everyday English conversations. Practice makes perfect. So try using these words when you're talking about locations or giving directions. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next video.